guys! Wine and food pairings don't need to be as complicated and expensive as they are often made out to be. In today's recipes, let's take your wine party to a new level but in a healthy and easy way with this creative appetizer cracker bites to Italian-style grilled pizza. Let's start! For cracker appetizer bites, pretty much any cracker will work for this. I went with Finn's crackers of Jean and Jamie's recipes that I got from Beauty M&L shop. But you can use whatever kind you like best. To start with, gather all the ingredients and have them in front of you so you can assemble the toppings for crackers more quickly. Our first cracker bites is peanut butter banana cracker bites. Simply spread the right amount of peanut butter on crackers and top it with 2 slices of banana, then set aside. Crackers, peanut butter, and banana are perfect combination. That's a reason we call this cracker toppings kid-friendly. Even adults won't be able to resist the simple snack. The second cracker bites is cream cheese sprouts cracker bites. Just spread the right amount of cream cheese on crackers and top it with alfalfa sprouts. And that's it. This is one of my favorite cracker bites toppings because I really love the taste of alfalfa herbs and I'm sure you'll love it too. Next is the berry orange jam cracker bites. Just add a small amount of orange marmalade or jam to each cracker and top it with dried cranberries. It is a winning combination of sweet and sour flavors, and the texture contrast makes it even more satisfying to eat. Lastly, get a taste of brunch any time of the day by snacking on these arugula and cream cheese cracker bites. Mix the cream cheese and the chopped tomatoes in the mixing bowl and put on top of crackers. Add some pieces of baby rocket arugula to make a satisfying snack or appetizer. These one-bite appetizer recipes will save you a load of dishes and help you drink more wine. So for our next recipe, we have Italian-style garden grilled pizza. With this homemade pizza recipe on hand, you'll always have a delicious pizza just moments away. All you have to do is get your pizza toppings ready. Slice tomatoes to your desired sizes and lime for sidings. Cut into 4. Preheat your grill to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and add your store-bought pizza dough onto the grill. At this point, you'll also want to get all of your pizza toppings near the grill so that you can easily top your pizza when the time comes. Quickly and carefully spread the top of pizza with tomato paste. Then, add the Eden cheese singles followed by the sliced tomatoes. Sprinkle it with pizza seasoning to taste and let it cook for just about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and golden brown on the bottom. If it is, go ahead and remove it from the grill. Simply grab your pizza with tongs and slide it onto a cutting board. You are then ready to put the fresh toppings on the pizza like this baby rocket arugula and overloaded it with alfalfa. alfalfa makes your pizza so flavorful due to its mild spearmint flavor. Remember, garden pizza doesn't have to be boring. Garnish it with limes and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Then serve it with hot sauce for an extra kick as a party appetizer. Trust me, grilling a pizza is a lot easier than it seems. And Real Wine Party goes far beyond the cheese board and steak. That's all for now. See you on my next recipes!